Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagamitin natin itong Angel Answers Oracle cards para malaman natin kung ano yung mga advices, messages, sagot sa mga katanungan mo galing sa ating guardian angel. Okay? So, reminder lang Pisces na ito ay general reading. So, pwede mag-resonate, pwede hindi. Okay? And ang lalabas na mga cards natin ay pwedeng yes or no. Okay? Mga kasagutan sa mga tanong mo ngayon or mga messages, advices ng angel mo. And pwede ding timeline Pisces. Pwedeng merong lalabas na for the next weeks, for the next months, years, okay? So, it depends kung ano yung lalabas sa reading natin gamit ang Angel Oracle cards, okay? So, shuffle muna natin ng 3 beses itong cards natin. Biglang umulan, Pisces, so there's a big possibility na there's a blessing na darating kasi rain is all about blessing. Okay, so maganda. I hope naririnig nyo pa rin po yung sinasabi ko kahit merong ulan sa background. Okay, so ano po ang gabay mensahe po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Anong gabay mensahe ng angel ni Pisces? Look for a sign. Okay, so look for a sign Pisces. Pwedeng ito ay repeating numbers like 111, 222, okay, 555, 777, okay. You have to look that on, pwedeng Google or online, okay, para malaman mo kung ano yung mga mensahe kasi there's a different meaning of it, Pisces. Okay, so, or kung hindi naman numbers, pwedeng ibon, cat, or kahit ano, basta there's significant meaning. Okay, there's a sign of it. Gamitin mo yun for you uh, to know kung ano yung answer ng angel mo. Okay, you're ready. Oh, wow. Look for a sign and you're ready. You are ready for something, Pisces. Okay, so it depends kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa buhay mo and take nyo lang po as long as mag-resonate ito. Okay, look for a sign, you're ready. Ano pa po? Ask your angel. Okay. So, sa nararamdaman ko, Pisces, sinasabi ng angel mo ngayon na you are ready. But, you have to look for a sign and you have to ask your angel, okay? You have to ask your angel, tanungin mo kung ano yung mga pwedeng isagot and pag, kunwari, magsabi ka na, ano po yung ganito, ganyan. Gusto ko pong makakita ng white feather or ibon sa labas ng bahay namin, okay, for you to know kung yun ba yung yes or no, okay? I hope na gets niyo yun, okay? So, pwede magtanong ka and look for a sign of it, Pisces. And you are ready for something. Okay, so, sobrang ganda ng advice ng angel mo sa araw na ito. Big happy changes. Wow. Wow. Lahat ng mga magagandang bagay, Pisces, is nandito. Big happy changes. You are ready to receive this kind of big happy changes. But you have to know by asking your guardian angel, Pisces, ask your angel and also look for a sign. Okay? Pwedeng manghingi ka ng sign kung yun ba yung tama or mali or yun ba yung ganito, ganyan. Okay? So, I hope nag-resonate po sa inyo, Pisces, yung advices, messages, gabayan ng angel mo sa araw na ito. Okay, huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel na Pisces Hub and ang ating isang channel na Gel Tarot Guide na makikita po sa description box below. Okay, and click the notification bell, Pisces, for you to receive, for you to notified the next videos na i-upload natin. Okay, so thank you, Pisces, and God bless.